What's going on, guys? This is Dr. Kevin Lopez here, bringing you another episode of AI Roundup. Today, I wanted to talk about a local model that's been making its rounds around the local Llama subreddit. I'm talking about the new GLM family from THUDM. The base model is GLM-4-32B, and it's a 32 billion parameter model. It was trained on 15 terabytes of data and has lots of reasoning type synthetic data. They also released three more models based off of their base model. GLM Z1-32B, another 32 billion parameter model that includes deep thinking and was trained using general reinforcement learning. They also released GLM Z1 Rumination-32B, which is another addition, and it's also a 32 billion parameter model. It's a deep reasoning model with rumination, and this means that the model employs longer periods of thought that can solve complex tasks. An example of a complex task would be a comparative analysis of two cities. And finally, we have here GLM 9B. This is a smaller 9 billion parameter model that's more of a surprise from the authors, where they employed earlier techniques for the larger models into the smaller model, giving the model excellent performance and is a good balance for resource-intensive situations. So it's pretty awesome that they released all four models, and they're all open source. You can actually download them. As a treat, I've taken the time to upgrade Ollama and pull a working version of their base model, GLM-4, all new tech. So let's go ahead and try to make a simple web-based Tic Tac Toe game. I'm gonna go ahead and send it over to the model. So there it is. Now we have a full game of Tic Tac Toe. Now we can see it displayed here. Let's see if we can make the window a little bit bigger. Okay, cool. So we can see here. Let's play it. Okay. Oh, there you go. Let's restart it. There you go. I wonder if we can make it a draw. Oh, all right. Seems like it works. It counts the score and everything. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very cool. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and give this model a stretch goal of creating a Flappy Bird for the web. So let's go in here and let's see what it can make. Game over screen. Okay, all right, it's done. All right, let's copy it over. Let's check it out. Put it into here. Let's run it. Okay. All right, here's Flappy Bird. Let's give it a shot here. Okay, look at that. Oh, all right. You can see there's a little bit of artifacts, but let's see. Can I even get past level 1? Let's give it a shot. Oh, it's so hard to play this game. Okay. Well, we can see it successfully made Flappy Bird. Really cool, really cool. Yeah, it seems to work great. There's a few artifacts. I can probably get it to fix it, but there it is, Flappy Bird. Really, really cool. For our final test, we're gonna go ahead and try to do what everyone else is doing and create a Python program that has bouncing balls inside of a spinning hexagon. So let's go ahead and get it started here. I also want to be able to control the speed of the hexagon and the number of balls. So let's see what. Okay, all right, now it's done. So we're gonna go ahead and copy it over and give it a shot. Let's go ahead and paste it into here. Boom. Now we've pasted it. All right. So we've got here what looks to be a rotating hexagon with some balls, and we have some controls. So rotation speed and number of balls. So let's go ahead and increase the rotation speed. So you can see here, it's getting faster, which is pretty cool. All right, all right. Now what else we've got here? Let's see. It says we can add more balls. So let's see. Okay. Look pretty realistic to me. 10 balls. Let's see. All different sizes. Pretty cool, pretty cool. See how fast we can get it to move. Okay. Moving pretty fast. Let's try adding a few more balls here. Okay, let's see how crazy this gets. Oh, some of them are flying out. Oh, oh, I caught it. Very cool. Interesting. Interesting. Wasn't expecting that. Wow. Okay. Let's see what happens when we add a ton of balls here. A lot. Okay. Okay. getting flung around. Okay, well, we can see here that clearly it does work, even though we kind of broke it, but very fun, very cool stuff. All right, that's all I've got for you today. But if you like this content and want to see more content like it, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.